Tired of searching online every time you need the copyright symbol, an accented letter, or a special character for your designs? Stop wasting time. This video shows you exactly how to access the character map in Windows 11 and find any symbol you need in seconds. Hey everyone, I'm Anna from For Real. In the next few minutes, I'm going to guide you through not one, but two easy methods to open the character map. Then we'll do a deep dive into how to use its powerful features, so you become a pro at finding Windows 11 special characters. Let's get started. Okay, the most straightforward way to find the character map is using the Windows search bar. First, navigate your mouse to the taskbar and click on the Windows Start icon. It's that familiar four-paned window. Once the Start menu pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. Simply start typing character map. You'll notice that before you even finish typing, the character map app appears under Best Match. Go ahead and click on that. And just like that, the character map is open. This is your treasure chest of every symbol available in every font installed on your computer. We'll explore it in just a moment. Want a faster way that makes you feel like a Windows power user? Use the Run command. This is great if you use this tool a lot. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This opens the Run dialog box in the bottom left corner. In the Open field, type the command for character map, which is one simple word, charmap. Now click OK or press Enter and boom! The same character map window opens instantly. This is a fantastic shortcut to remember. Quick pause. If you've already learned a new trick, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It tells YouTube this is a helpful Windows character map tutorial and helps others find it. Thanks. Okay, back to it. Here's a quick trivia question for you. The character map lets you browse thousands of characters from something called Unicode. What does Unicode stand for? It stands for Universal Character Set. Its job is to give a unique number to every character, no matter the device or language. Pretty cool, right? Now let's master this tool. At the top, you have a font dropdown. This is crucial because different fonts contain different symbols. A decorative font might not have currency symbols, for example. To use a character, just click on it once to see it enlarged, and then double-click it. Notice how it appears in the Characters to Copy field at the bottom? You can double-click multiple characters to build a sequence. Once you have the symbol or symbols you need, just click the Copy button. Now it's on your clipboard, ready to be pasted anywhere. A Word document, a social media post, anywhere. But here's the real power. Click on Advanced View. This unlocks the search function. Let's say you need a copyright symbol. In the Search For box, type copyright and click Search. There it is. This saves you from scrolling endlessly. All right, one more. In the bottom right of the character map, you sometimes see an Alt key code. What was the original purpose of the Alt key on a keyboard? It stood for alternate. It was designed to change or provide an alternate function for other keys, which is exactly what it does for these symbol codes. One quick thing to watch out for. Sometimes you'll copy a symbol, but when you paste it, it looks like a plain box or a different character. This usually means the application you're pasting into doesn't support that font or that specific symbol. Just try pasting it into a different program or choosing a more common font like Arial in the character map to fix it. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to access and use the character map in Windows 11. No more frustrating searches. You can now copy special characters and find symbols on your PC quickly and efficiently for any document or project. If you found this tutorial useful and want more Windows tips and tricks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And let me know in the comments, what's a symbol you're always searching for? Thanks for watching For Real, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.